Hi, this is Antoine Harris with Platinum Bridge Wealth Strategies, and mortgage rates have come down dramatically. It may make sense to consider refinancing your property. This is a chart for 30-year fixed rate mortgages for the last year. Last year, we were at 3.78%. Many of you refinanced around that time thinking that you had a great rate, which you did. Now rates have come all the way down to around 2.8%. So even if you locked in a really strong rate last year, it may make sense to look at this again and consider refinancing. Let's take a look at an example. Say you owe $500,000 on a 30-year fixed mortgage at 3.8%. Your monthly payment, principal and interest, not including taxes and insurance, is going to be a bit more than $2,300 a month. Over a 30-year period, you'd pay interest on more than $338,000. Now, let's say we're able to drop this to 2.8%. You're going to save around $275 a month, and you're going to save around $99,000 in interest over the lifetime of the loan. So you save $275 per month. Let's say you apply that $275 as an extra payment, in effect paying the same amount now. So you refinance, pay the same amount, you save $275, but you continue to pay the same amount. You're going to pay this mortgage off around 5 years early, the year 2045. But what may be the smartest use of this savings is to not apply it to the mortgage, but invest it in a diversified set of investments over a 25-year period. You should be able to get around a 5% rate of return. I think that's a reasonable rate of return on a diversified portfolio over the next 25-year period. If you were to do that in the year 2045, in 25 years, you will still owe $113,000 on this loan. But that portfolio would be expected to grow to $163,000 roughly. So you could pay this mortgage off in 25 years if you were inclined to do so, and still have $50,000 left over to spend. This is Antoine Harris with Platinum Bridge Wealth Strategies. Please don't hesitate to call me if you have any questions. Also visit platinumbridgewealth.com for other helpful tips and advice. I'll talk to you soon. Clearly, I kept this example simple for illustrative purposes. If you're truly considering refinancing your mortgage, you need to think about closing costs, the fact that you may be extending the term of your loan when you initiated the mortgage originally. There are a number of things to consider, so you may want to speak to a professional.